Mini rocket plane, the smallest flying paper plane you can make yourself. This tiny paper model may look simple, but it really flies. Perfect for challenges with friends or just a fun way to pass the time. In this video, we'll show you how to fold a mini rocket-style airplane using just a small piece of notebook paper. No glue, no fancy tools. It's lightweight, quick to fold, and can fly an impressive distance for its size. What you'll need: a small sheet of paper, like from a notebook, a bit of patience and creativity. Great for kids, students, and anyone who loves experimenting with paper planes. You can launch it indoors, in class, or outside, and surprise everyone with how well it flies. Follow our step-by-step video tutorial and learn how to make this microplane fly like a rocket. If you liked it, support us with a like, comment, and subscribe. We've got many more awesome paper projects coming soon.